In this video, we're gonna show you how to use Sezzle virtual card at Walmart. First, set up your Sezzle virtual card. Open the Sezzle app and sign up or log into your account. Then select Sezzle card from the app menu and go through any verification or setup process needed. Once the virtual card is active, you will see the card number, expiration date, and CW code. After that, add the Sezzle virtual card to Walmart payment method. Open the Walmart app go to the Walmart website. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. When prompt for payment, select credit or debit card and enter your Sezzle virtual card information. And the last one is complete your purchases. Confirm your Sezzle payment details and complete the purchases as you would with any other credit or debit card. You will then make installment payments to Sezzle as scheduled. So that's how you can use Sezzle virtual card at Walmart.